What to know about the student ID photo. Once you have sent an email to studentservices@torontosom.ca requesting your student ID, it's time to take your headshot. Your photo may follow this format: passport size 50mm by 70mm or 2 inches by 2.75 inches. The photo must be taken against a plain white background with enough contrast between the background, facial features, and clothing. Your photo must be clear, sharp, and in focus. Your head must not be tilted to the side. You should show a neutral facial expression. You can smile, but do not open your mouth. Look straight into the camera. The photo must show a full head without any head covering, unless it's worn for religion beliefs or medical reasons. However, the head covering must not cast shadows or block your eyes, nose, or mouth. Do not use filters of any kind. Prescription glasses may be worn if the eyes are clearly visible and there is no reflections or glare on the eyeglasses. Sunglasses or tint eyeglasses are unacceptable. The photo should be taken within the last 6 months. Your student ID is free and will be available within a few business days. When it's ready, you will receive a confirmation email and then you can pick it up on campus.